Hi, welcome back to Prep With Me. In this week's video, I wanted to share with you 4 weeknight meals that I made last week. And let's get started. We're starting off with these delicious barbecue chicken wings. You put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, some black pepper, kabob seasoning, some garlic powder, chicken seasoning mix, salt, and pepper. Arrange the chicken wings in a single layer and put them into the oven on broil. Cook them on each side until they're beautiful and crispy. The prep for these chicken wings were done the night before I needed them, so that when I come home from work, I can just put them back into the oven and have my dinner ready in no time. So here I'm home after work. I took the chicken wings out of the fridge. I'm heating up my oven to 350 degrees, and I'm simultaneously going to be putting on my pasta and my mixed vegetables. So you're seeing real life moments of my kids peeking through over there. But I'm going to be seasoning the mixed vegetables with some salt and pepper and some garlic powder. Mix that all and keep that on the fire until everything else is fully cooked through. After I put the sauce on top of the wings, I'm placing it back into the oven so it can get it heated through and that sauce to become nice and sticky.
Finally made this. My babe.
In this clip, I'll be showing you how I made my chibureki. I've featured this in a separate video on what I do for Purim, and I'm just putting it here because this was one of my kids' meals that they just really loved and enjoyed. So I'm here sauteing some onions, and then I'm going to be adding meat. I did this in 2 batches so that I could have the same base in a separate meal, which I will show you coming up next. before while my kids were sleeping so that I could have it ready to go when I come home. So here I am, I got home from work. I'm placing them back into the oven at 350 degrees, uncovered, until they're heated through. Usually it takes about 7 minutes. So here, this is the same base that I used in the previous clip. It's sauteed onions with some meat that I added just one small container of tomato sauce and about a cup of water. So I came home from work, I put that back on the stove. I let that boil. Once it was boiled, I put it inside cubed potatoes, about 7 or 8 large ones for my family, and seasoned it with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So allow it to cook for about 20 minutes and lower the flame. In this next dinner, we'll be making some meatballs with some potatoes with a homemade tomato sauce that's called matbucha. I made this meatball mixture in bulk for something that I was cooking for the weekend. I had a little leftover, so I froze it. And here I'll be using what I had frozen in these meatballs. I'll be showing you how I made that mixture for the meatballs coming up. Here I'm grating an apple, an onion, and tomato. Add in a half a cup of rice, wash it, and some meat. Season all of that with salt and pepper. Mix that mixture, and you're ready to go. Over the meatballs, I'm placing matbucha, which I made over the weekend. And I had some leftovers. I'm placing that all over. It's so nice. It's delicious. It's basically made out of peppers, tomatoes, and garlic with some spices. And it is perfect for this dish. So that's it for the meals for the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear what you think.